What if the most dangerous truths about history are not written in books, but sitting quietly in museums? Objects made thousands of years ago, with precision modern machines still struggle to replicate. Artifacts historians can describe, but cannot explain. Tools that appear too advanced for their time, and technologies that suddenly appear in history, perfect, finished, and unexplained, then disappear forever. No blueprints, no instruction manuals, no trial and error phase, just results. What kind of civilization creates advanced technology and leaves behind only the object, not the knowledge to recreate it? Tonight, you are not hearing stories. You are examining evidence, cold, silent, uncomfortable. Because artifacts don't exaggerate, they only exist. And once you truly understand what ancient technology was capable of, you can never call the past primitive again. Hello, and welcome to Echoes of History, where lost voices finally get to speak and forgotten evidence steps out of the shadows. Tonight's journey is about artifacts and technology, objects that should not exist, but do. Let's begin with stone, not soft limestone, granite, basalt, diorite, materials harder than steel tools. Yet ancient artifacts show perfect symmetry. Flat surfaces measured in microns, drill holes with internal spiral marks. These are not decorative. They are industrial results. The famous granite boxes inside the Serapeum of Saqqara weigh over 70 tons. With internal precision, modern workshops still struggle to match. No chisel marks, no hammer scars, only silence. And then there are metal artifacts, perfect copper saw marks, alloys with ratios too precise for guesswork. These objects were not made by accident. They were made by knowledge. But where is that knowledge now? Gone. Which means the artifacts are survivors from something that didn't survive. Ancient tools are missing, but tool effects are everywhere. Precision boring, angle-perfect cuts, vibration-free stone shaping. This suggests rotational tools, abrasive compounds, advanced measurement systems. And then there's medicine, ancient surgical instruments, prosthetic toes, healed skull surgeries. These were not experiments. Patients survived, which means anatomy was understood, chemistry was understood. Preservation techniques in mummification still confuse scientists. Pigments that never faded, compounds we can't perfectly replicate. Technology didn't slowly evolve here. It arrived complete and vanished. Which raises a dangerous question. Was this technology invented here or inherited? Ancient cultures hid technology behind myth, because myths survive collapse. Gods represented forces, rituals encoded processes, temples preserved knowledge. Artifacts weren't just tools. They were interfaces between humans and natural forces, measuring rods, astronomical instruments, energy-aligned structures, technology disguised as religion to protect it from destruction. And it worked. The knowledge faded, the objects remained, silent witnesses to forgotten intelligence. So why isn't this taught? Because unexplained technology destroys the myth of linear progress. It suggests humanity rose before humanity mastered technology. Humanity lost it, and that is terrifying. Artifacts don't fit into tidy timelines, so they are labeled mysterious, ceremonial, symbolic, anything except technological. But the truth is simpler. These objects are warnings. They say, we were advanced, we built powerful things, and we still fell. Artifacts are not relics, they are messages from a past that knew what was coming. History remembers names, artifacts remember truth, and the truth is this: the past was not ignorant, it was experienced. And what we call progress may only be recovery. The question is no longer how advanced were they? The real question is, What did they lose that we are about to lose again?